Chris and Tracy with Century 21 Endeavor. We are here to talk a little bit about the home buyers seminar that is actually a grant for home buyers that's offered through Jefferson County. Tell you a little bit about what the grant is used for and what it's about.
They do hold them in Jefferson at the on Collins Road at the Workforce Development Center, and it's every second Wednesday of the month. You can start off with the $5,000 grant program. You can get an additional $6,000 as well. That helps you cover closing costs, repairs, down payments. From there, it is required to attend the class. It's not just informational, and they will give you all the information you need as a first-time home buyer to get going. And with the market turning back up again, we should start doing this now.
So often first-time home buyers are so confused and have no idea where to start, no idea what the terms mean, and that's what this Jefferson County Home Buyers Seminar will do for you. It'll walk you through all the terms, talk about credit rating and how you can improve that, talk what to look for in a home, what to be aware of, talk about what lenders will discuss with you as far as mortgages and insurance and PMI, and explain a lot of the things and answer those questions that you all may have as first-time buyers.
And this is a 4-hour class, so this goes from 5:30 to 9:30.
Yes.
Right, okay.
But it's only a single class. It's not every week or anything. It's
So it's
just,
Correct. It's a one
time
and done.
class.
and then if you complete the class, you're qualified for the year to get a grant. Now is really a good time to be thinking about buying because interest rates are very low. There's new houses coming on the market as springtime approaches. And
we have an early spring this year.
if you have a home for sale that you're thinking of selling, now is really, really a good time to get that house on the market.
And I would think as a renter, you'd be pretty interested now as well with the cost coming down into your favor.
Right.
Rental costs are
Going to increase.
only going to increase at this point.
This weekend's also Valentine's Day. You guys have any
that's right.
plans? Any plans?
I'm taking my sweetie out on a date.
Aww.
Aww, love you, Tracy.
Mine's taking me out on a date. He just doesn't know it yet.
So if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below this video or contact us here at the office. You can call us at 920-261-1191. We'd be glad to talk to you about the market or home buying.
Belle is having some open houses this weekend.
Yes.
She is having an open house Saturday at 614 West Cady Street from 9:30 to 11. Also, she's having a open house at 118 North Maple Street from 11:30 to 1 p.m. So both of those are this Saturday. Don't miss out. And they're cute houses. Definitely check them out. All right, anything else, gals?
Just happy Valentine's Day.
Happy
Happy Valentine's Day.